if you want to turn on or turn off the center stage camera on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. Let's see. The first thing you need to do is open the camera app and switch this to selfie camera. Now at the top you can see this center stage option. Click that. And this is auto option. So if you want to turn on the auto center stage, you just need to click on. Now you can see the white icon was converted into yellow. It's mean auto center stage was turned on. If you want to turn off this feature, again tap and click off. Now you can see the icon back to white. Now auto portion was complete. Now the second way is manual. So if you want to turn on the center stage, just click this icon. This is manual option. Now take the photo. That's it. Same goes to video. Switch to video. Here you can control the resolution. If you want to turn on the center stage, click this icon, center stage icon with rotate symbol. Now center stage was on, and take the video. That's it. If you want to turn off the center stage, again click that. Now it's converted into normal mode. Same goes to the photo app. Now it's in the normal state. If you want to turn on, click this. So it's turned on. If you want to turn off, again click. So that's it. This is how we need to control the auto center stage and manual center stage on our iPhone 17. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.